Show some enthusiasm and sportsmanship. Okay, as the parents take their position, I would also request our chairman sir and would also invite all the principals of Goenka toddlers to please join in for the tug of war with the parents. Principals of all the Goenka toddlers. Okay, so parents, please look here. This side we have Mahanagar and the other side we have Ansal. On my left is Mahanagar and on my right is Ansal. Please segregate yourself accordingly. Please. And if any dignitary wants to join us, you are most welcome. Even if our principal ma'am and director ma'am wants to join us. Parents, to my left is Mahanagar and to my right is Ansal. The ground is almost flooded with the parents.
Thank you for showing such a nice support and enthusiasm. The parents, those who are sitting, please clap, clap. Clap for them so that we can have the vibe of the tug of war.
We really wonder which side chairman sir is taking part in.
Tough decision for us, sir.
Oh my God, we have so many parents from Ansal branch. Parents, it was only 20. We needed only 20. Whoever came first for the 20 row, they will be the part of it. Excitement is so high.
Every heartbeat is clapping. Every smile is telling one story. Yes, we are going to be the winners.
Audience and boost their confidence.
I think we can have two tug of war. First only for women and next for the men. Right? So let it be. Now this is for females. All the mothers.
So first we have a war between mothers of Hansen and mothers of Mahanagar.
You can move.
Big clap for our champion, sir. He always takes the right decision. He's always on guard.
I think this is going to be the most exciting event of the whole state. And in the next program, we want to see the same enthusiasm from the fathers.
Listen. All the fathers from the Mahanagar branch, please stand by left side. And answer good. Okay, thank you.
Parents, a photo's line on the field, please. It is
Now ready?
I think someone is dropped. Okay, she's coming. She's coming to take it. Ma'am, this is your prize.
One.
There we go. Come on, fathers.
And this is a couple victory. But a big round of applause for the fathers of answers. It is all about participating.
With all the winners from both the teams, that means the mothers and the fathers, mothers of Ansar and fathers of Manara, please step forward. The winning team, please step forward. I request all the winners to please step forward. I will request Chairman Sir to please give a small token of appreciation to them. Now there is a token of participation under them.